If you are struggling to share audio files on Instagram, here is the simplest method. First, open your Google Drive. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner and select the option Upload File. Then tap Browse. Now locate and choose the audio file you want to send. You can rename it if needed, then tap Upload. Once the file finishes uploading, refresh to Google Drive so it appears at the top. Tap the three dots next to the file. Select the option Share. Tap the person icon at the bottom and finally tap the link icon at the top to copy the shareable link. Now open Instagram, navigate to the Conversations page. Open the conversation with the person to whom you want to send this link. Paste the link and send it. When the recipient gets the link, if it does not open directly in Instagram, they just need to tap three dots in the top right, select Open in external browser and audio will play. To download it, they can simply tap the download icon and then save. And that's it. This is how you can easily share audio files on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.